This is Bill. So what I'm about to teach you is about using Flow Designer. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to like and subscribe and join as a member to support my videos. So as we continue, these are the following objectives that you will learn in this lesson. You get to open and use Flow Designer, learn to edit and create flows, and as you build your foundation, you get to have a full understanding and experience on adding actions and provide flow logic in your workflow. And you have established that, you get to have more experience and start configuring the workflow actions. And you will need a place where to store data. So variables inside the flow is also necessary. And there's no such thing as a seamless workflow. So you get to test and debug your workflow to ensuring the integrity that your flow designer is working as expected. And as you test them, you get to see the execution details. And once you're fully confident, and now you get to activate your flow designer. So you will get to see in this whole experience from this official documentation of developer.servicenow.com and see it in action. The real exercise is ensuring that you get to succeed on any stumbling blocks that you encounter and see live demos on how the flow designer works. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also join as a member. I'll see you in the next video.